In this video, I will show how the Raspberry Pi will be sending data packets to the dspic33. In this schematic over here, I'm showing the connections between the Raspberry Pi, the Arduino Uno, and the serial monitor. I use this schematic to explain what I have right now in order to display the data packets. So I'm connecting the Raspberry Pi to the Arduino via RS-232 cable. That's a UART cable in order for the Raspberry Pi to send data to the Arduino. As you can see here, we have 3 pins on the Arduino. We have the ground, RX, and TX. Those will be connected to the RS-232 cable, and then it will be connected to the Raspberry Pi via USB port. And then we have the Arduino Uno connected to the serial monitor, the computer, via USB cable. I'm only using Arduino Uno in order to show how the data packets will be sent. However, during the actual workout and for the final product, we'll be using a dspic33. The software for the Raspberry Pi will not change whether we're using Arduino or dspic. So the Arduino is only being used right now to display the data packets as a serial monitor. Now I'm going to give you a brief description about what data packets will be sending to the dspic33. As you can see here, that's the string that the Raspberry Pi will be sending to the dspic over here. The string will start with $character, $sign character. This character is the receive character. This character is used to indicate that new data package has been received. And then you have the second character. This character will be either 0 or 1. When it's 0, it means the system is paused or ended. When it's 1, it means the system is active. It means that the user pressed on start button. The third character is the resistance value. This value will be inserted by the user and it will range up from 0 up to 100%. And the fourth character, that will be the wheelchair size, that will be the wheelchair diameter. This will also be entered by the user, and then the value of the size will range from 20 up to 26. And then lastly, you have the exercise type. So we have 2 exercise types. The first one is dyno mode, and the second one is exercise mode. When we have exercise mode, you will see this character as number 0. When we have dyno mode, it will be the character will be number 1. And lastly, you have the bound key. This is the terminating character. This character is used to indicate that data package has been completed in order for the dspic33 so it can start receiving new data. Now I'm going to show you the GUI screen right now I have on the Raspberry Pi. This GUI screen I'll be using to change the resistance value, the wheelchair, and press on the buttons such as start, end, and pause. As you can see here, that's the GUI screen over here. We have 2 workout types. We have exercise mode and we have dyno mode, and we have the wheelchair diameter that will range from 20 to 26 as I said earlier, and then we have the resistance level, and then we have the workout duration that will also be selected by the user, and then we have the data that the Raspberry Pi will be sending to the dspic. I'm sorry, that data over here, that's the data that the dspic will send to the Raspberry Pi. We have data for left wheel and we have data for the right wheel. That data includes torque, speed, and distance. And lastly, we have 3 buttons down here, the start button, the pause button, and the end workout button. Now, this is the serial monitor I'll be using to display wherever the Raspberry Pi will be sending whenever I press on several different buttons on the GUI screen. Now I will start the demo. Now I will select the wheel diameter to be 23. I'll select the workout type to be on exercise mode. I will select the resistance level to be on 5%, and then I will hit on start button. Now you can see here we have this character over here. It means the device is active. That's number 1. Now I'll press on pause and that number will change into 0. As you can see here, the first character changed into 0. That means the device is paused. Now I'll press on resume and that character will change into 1. As you can see here, it changed into 1. Now I will change the resistance value, and you will notice the second character over here. It will change to whatever value we put. I'll put it on 7. Now it's on 7. Now I'll put it on 11. Now it's on 11. Now I will change. Now I will end the workout. You see, the first character changed into 0. Now I will select the workout type to be on dyno mode, and then I will keep the wheelchair size as it is, and I will press on start. Now you can see the last character changed into 1. That means the workout type is now on dyno mode. Now I'll press on pause. The first character changed into 0 over here. Now we cannot change the resistance value, neither the wheelchair diameter, during the workout when the workout is active during dyno mode. I think that will be it for displaying the data packets that the Raspberry Pi will be sending to the dspic33. I hope that video was helpful to understand how our system works. I will provide a document that explains this demo video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.